Hey guys, welcome back to another Moondog Trading video. This video is a late night video I'm doing on Bitcoin, Ethereum, Matic, and Cardano. And as you guys know, I told you by Sunday that Bitcoin would be hitting 50,000. And I like to say this exactly as I predicted. We're having some fun here, right? I've only started this channel a couple months ago, and so far so good, guys. We've nailed everything. Bitcoin's doing exactly what I thought it was going to do. Ethereum's lagging behind a little bit. It did hit our 311 target that I called exactly to the dollar. And guys, I'm not a financial advisor. Everything I say is just my opinion, educational purposes only. But we had Ethereum hit our exact target at right here in our box at 311. Okay, and we still haven't broke that. So let's see if we can break back above that, get a candle close above there, and get above the previous high around $340. So let's see if that can happen for Ethereum. Bitcoin's doing exactly what we thought we were going to do. Let's see what happens when we get to this fib around 51,300 area. Let's see if they try to give us a little rejection there, maybe a pullback. Uh, but I do believe if we do get a slight pullback, I think we're going to get a bounce. But we'll keep an eye on that as it goes. I think Ethereum, this is all looking good. Everything's still looking good. Um, Matic's chart, we're still looking really good on Matic. I mean, look at this, guys. Jesus. I mean, you took this trade. Even on the retest after I called the trade back here, and then I said it was going to retest off of 145, which it did. It came back down and touched this. Even if you guys would have took that trade, I mean, even right now, you'd still be up 14%. But the one that I've been telling you guys about, and this has been a lot of talk about this, is Cardano. And look at this, guys. We nailed our fib almost to the dollar here. I mean, we're like literally a couple pennies off here. So you can see what technical analysis does. We're hitting our targets. I think we're going to break this target Monday, Tuesday. I think we're going to have a big week in crypto. We could see a little rejection. Actually, we could peak up today or tomorrow, tomorrow, I should say, because I'm on Eastern time here, and I only got about an hour left. It's 11 o'clock. We're on the late night here. Before I go to bed, I wanted to chart this for you because we went over the $50,000 mark, which I said we would do by Sunday. Okay, and we hit our target on Cardano so far. But I still think there's more upside on Cardano. I think ETH can get a little bit more, and I think Bitcoin's going to go up a little bit more and test this fib right here, right around 51, anywhere from 51,000 to 51,400 area. We could see a little potential pullback. If we don't, we blow right through. We get to 52. 55, 56 is on deck for sure. That would be our next targets, in my opinion. So yeah, if we do blow past that, guys, then which we could. Bitcoin's known for doing stuff like that, but it's also known for getting rejected at key points as well. So let's keep an eye on that. Let's see. Let's get a lock here. Why is this not locking? Did I not? Oh, I hit the wrong button. Okay. Let's see here. Yeah. I mean, maybe 51,600 area. Could be a possibility, but let's see. We got this. Wow, this kind of lines up with the fib at 51,300. So around that area, give or take a couple $100, we could see a potential rejection. Okay, and then maybe a pullback, and then another bounce, and then a break to the upside. That could be a possibility, but let's see how this reacts when we get to this point. See if we get something like this, and then go, or at least test this 56, and then maybe a rejection. That could be a possibility as well. See a little pullback at some point. But for right now, everything's looking good, guys. Stay on course. Going long. Loving the Cardano move. I think we could probably get more than this. Maybe 350. Maybe we hit that 350 area by the next couple weeks, which would be awesome. But I mean, guys, I mean, we're crushing it. I mean, we called the. I told you, I called this bottom right here. I said, hey, I'm starting to load right here, and I'm holding long. Okay, and I got in at 104. Um, and then I held it. And then right, we got the news, and then we got the bounce right here, which I talked about, this breakout and the bounce. I actually added more to my position because I felt like it would outperform Bitcoin and Ethereum at that point, so I can gain more of my percentage, and we gained 40%, so it's not bad, right? So I think there's still some more upside there. I think Matic we're still going to test this 171 level. And if we can get a daily close above there, um, I think we could go a lot higher and touch that 189 mark that I had at somewhere on my other chart. But I can mark it down in here, right here, boom. So that 189 would be another target for me for Matic. So that's looking good. Ethereum, I still want to see us break this and get a 4-hour daily candle close above my zone here, which is anywhere from 3,311 to 3,340 area. So let's see if that happens. That'd be nice. Or we could trade sideways for a little bit, then break up. We could trade sideways a little bit tomorrow. But I don't know. It could be. It's going to be interesting. We're going to find out what happens when we get up into that 50, the high 50,000 to 51 area. We'll see how everything plays out. But listen, guys, I appreciate you guys subbing. This channel is new. We've killed it. We've crushed it. And I'm so happy for all you guys. All I'm asking for you guys, all you guys that watch my videos, just make sure you guys sub, hit the bell, hit the all, because a lot of times they don't show me on YouTube. So you got to do that so you get the notifications right away so you don't miss any of these moves. I mean, look at this, guys. Bitcoin, we were calling this bottom right here. I was telling, hey, we're buying in this area. Okay, we got our orders filled. We ran this thing up. We sold it right here. Then we bought back in on the bounce and crushed it again, guys. Okay, so I mean, and I've called this play by play on my channel. I can't make it up because it's on YouTube, right? Now, there's a couple incidents where I thought we were going to go higher, and then I thought we were going to go lower. Right here, I thought we were going to go lower. Actually, it was just one time. I thought we were going to go a little bit lower, but we didn't quite get there. I thought we might test the low 43 range, but I was about $500 off on there. So that was the one time I did make a little mistake, but it hasn't happened too many times on my channel where I've done that. Usually it's been on point, and I'm just blessed. And you guys are blessing me with this. This is like when I'm doing this for free, and I'm doing this because I feel like if I do these things and I help people, good things will happen to me. And I feel like good things are happening to me, and everything is working out as we plan, as our game plan happens. I thought I cleaned this chart up. This chart looks a little messy. Sorry if it does. This chart should have been cleaned up, but I guess I didn't save it after I cleaned it all up. So, but listen, guys, much love to all you guys. Make sure you guys sub to my YouTube channel, Moondog Trading. I'll also put a link to TradingView in there. If you guys, TradingView is free, guys. Anybody can use TradingViews, and if you want to use these ribbons, you just go to templates, MAEXP ribbon. If you want to use something like that to help you out, it's really good when you're using 4 hour. You can see how it rides this 20, how it works as support. I can zoom in for you, see how it works as support. 1, 2, 3 touches, and then boom. So this is a good tool that I like to use. It's not the only tool I like to use, but it's a good one I like to use. You can see on the 1 hour, and then if we flip it, you could get a dip, and then it could act like as resistance a little bit, and then once you pop above it, boom, it's off to the races. So you can use this on different charts. But I'll put a link in the description for TradingView, and there's a $30 coupon in there for you guys if you guys do decide to sign up and actually pay. If you pay, you get more indicators. That's kind of how it works. But I think you get 3 free ones for free. So yeah, so you can go on TradingView and do exactly what I'm doing, and it's all free to you guys. Everything I'm doing, I'm trying to make it free, just for you guys and to help you guys, financially, live life to the fullest, right? That's what we're trying to do. We're having fun here. So listen, much love to you guys. And I appreciate you guys subbing. I'll get this video out to you. And I'm glad we hit that 50 mark by Sunday. I said we would hit it by Sunday, and we nailed it. So I'm happy for that. So let's keep this ball rolling. And if there's any little pullbacks, if it's something major that looks really ugly, then I will jump on and make an emergency video. But today I kind of let it go because we were expecting this to happen, right? I told you guys yesterday that the $50,000 mark would happen by Sunday. And if there was any dips, buy the dips. I mean, I've said it for 2 days now. So, I'm trying to make myself clear that, hey, guys, buy the dips if you want, or you can trade, but then you can get caught where, you're ended up buying even higher. So sometimes it's just better just to buy the dips if you're already in. And if you're not experienced trader, then that's what I recommend doing. And like I said, I'm not a financial advisor. Everything I say is just my opinion. This is all educational purposes only, but I'm trying to educate you guys the best I can. Okay. So listen, much love to you guys. I really appreciate it, and peace out.